here, the VIP, and today I'll be showing you how to get to your Amazon order history. So as you can see, I'm already in my Amazon account. You can see right here, it'll tell you the account that you're in and then the list for that. So as you can see, I'm on the home screen. What you're going to do from here is you're going to go to your top right corner. If you're on a computer, it should say returns and orders. You're going to click on that, let that load up. And now here you should be able to see all your orders history. If you don't want to take time to scroll down and look for it, you can just search up here to search your orders. Then you have orders that you can buy again, orders that haven't been shipped, and you can have your digital orders for all other apps that use the same account, and you have Amazon Pay. As you can see down here, we also have this little drop down arrow where we can see the dates, the past years, so we can look up the order that way. As you can see, we start by 2018 all the way up to 2025, and you can even search the last 30 days of your order. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to try this out. Make sure to like and subscribe to the video, and goodbye.